This is the MacBook Neo, and it's powered by the insanely powerful A18 Pro Chip. Expect desktop-level performance, ultra-smooth multitasking, and efficiency that takes battery life to a whole new level.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the MacBook Neo, USB-C charge cable, USB-C power adapter,
And user manual.
Product setup. The MacBook Neo offers fast, seamless startup. Just open the lid and complete a quick setup with Wi-Fi, Apple ID, and Touch ID. With a clean interface, smooth trackpad gestures, and the power of the A18 Pro Chip, it delivers effortless multitasking, long battery life, and a smooth experience for everyday tasks. How to charge? To charge the MacBook Neo, connect the Type-C cable to the MacBook and plug it into a USB-C power adapter. It uses around 29 to 30 watts, so a 40-watt to 65-watt charger is ideal for safe and fast charging. Once connected, the battery icon will show it's charging. Use a good quality charger for the best battery health and performance.
Smart features?
The A18 Pro Chip delivers fast and smooth performance, handling everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. It is designed for high efficiency, giving strong speed while using less power for better battery life. The MacBook Neo is built for long-lasting use, easily powering through a full day on a single charge. Its efficient A18 Pro Chip helps reduce power consumption while maintaining strong performance throughout the day. The display offers sharp detail, vibrant colors, and excellent brightness for a clear viewing experience. It's ideal for streaming, browsing, and productivity with smooth and accurate visuals. The MacBook Neo features a slim and lightweight build, making it easy to carry anywhere. Its compact design combines portability with a premium and durable feel. macOS runs fast and fluid, offering seamless navigation and quick app switching. It's optimized for the A18 Pro Chip, ensuring a responsive and stable user experience across all tasks.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the MacBook Neo with the A18 Pro Chip from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MacBook Neo with an A18 Pro Chip. See you at the next one.